Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to create a website for a excavating contractor using Mighty Sites. So this is a small business website platform. It's super easy to use. If you're an excavating contractor and you just need a simple professional website, this is only $9 a month, and that includes everything. So it's really easy to get started. That includes hosting, your website template, the ability to connect a custom domain. So I'm just going to put in here, you see I selected the template. I'm going to put in here Keegan's, let's call it Keegan's Excavating. And then I'm going to put in my location, so Denver, Colorado, and then type of business. Usually I'm providing a service to people, so I'm just going to click continue. Now, just like that, Mighty Sites is going to automatically, it's working, generate a simple professional website for my excavating business. So you can see as I scroll through here, there's already images, there's already copy written for me. So I didn't have to do a thing other than just type in my business name and a little bit of information, and it automatically creates a template for me to use to grow my business. So it's really, really simple and easy to use. You can have a website done for your business in literally just a matter of minutes, and this will become your online business card. So once it's generated the template for me, now I can just go in and I can play around with the color themes that it has. So there's all these different color themes that are available with each template. And so you can select from the ones that are available with this, and there's always more being added, and just select the one that you feel like is the right fit for your type of business. So just depending on what it is you're going for, what type of look or branding you have, you can click through all these different templates and just see how it recolors everything into a new style. And then you can just pick what it is that you feel like is the best fit for your business. So I'll just select this one for now, just for the purpose of this demo. So now once you've selected this, then you can go through and you can actually make a ton of edits to the site after that. Actually, I'm going to go with the green just because I think that's pretty neat. So now you can go through and you can make a bunch of edits to the template to style it to your liking. So as I move through this template, you're going to see that I have a lot of different choices, and Mighty Sites makes it really easy for me to actually select exactly what it is that I want my site to look like. So if I go in here, I can go to update section, and now instead of having to deal with a messy website builder, I just simply type in my information. So it's just point and click, type in my information. Yes, I want people to see my email address so they can contact me. Then I type in my phone number, that shows up there, great. If I want to add like a business address, I can do that too. It'll show up on the left. Then I can go to my social media. Let's just say I have a Facebook page. I can just copy and paste in my Facebook page address. You can see just like that. Now if I save it, now my Facebook page is there and it's linked. The icon's already there for me. I don't have to do any website development. If I want to add a new menu item, I can go in here and I can just simply add a new menu item, choose where it links to another website, different place on my website, to an action item like calling me, a PDF I can upload to this. So all that's really simple and easy to do too. I can upload my logo if I have one. So let me just find a logo here that I can use. So I'll just scroll through. Let's see. So here's a logo for Mighty Sites. I'll upload this. And now once I upload it, just click save. And now my logo shows up here. So I can click on one of these two buttons to make it bigger, make it smaller. And then I can click on this pencil to use the image editing tools that are all built into Mighty Sites. So I can change colors, crop it, put a frame. I can do this for any of the photos that I upload. For now, I think I'm just going to crop this down a little bit. So I'll just kind of crop off a little bit of the white space on here. So I'll go like that and like this, and then click done. And so let that load, save it. There we go. So now I kind of like the way that looks now for my logo. So just made some simple edits there, and now I can see my logo. If I want to update any of this text, I can just go in here and I can easily just type what I want. So I just want this to say full service excavating contractor. I can make that edit. Top quality work. Maybe I just want this to say top quality work, the last, right? Then I can edit the call to action button too. So if I want, maybe I just want this to say request a free quote, something like that. Then I can choose where this links. So if I want people to call me when they click on that, I can just simply click on the click to call button. If I want people to submit themselves as a lead on my site. I can do that too, so I'll show you how that works. But really simple and easy to make these edits to the site. Now, if somebody clicks on this, it brings them right to this lead form, which is really nice and easy to do. If I go in here, maybe contact us should be a link to call me. So I'll make that, click to call, but I could do whatever I want. I could change the button text and change where that links or what action it takes to. So it's all really easy to do here. So now I'll just scroll down this website builder. Things are coming together nicely. I can upload a new image, use the image editing tools. I can go to the about section. I can just go here and say, this is how you make a website for an excavating contractor. So you can see whatever you point and click and type will just show up here in these sections. That's really easy. I can make it bold if I want to. I can make it italicized. So there's nice tools here to just kind of add a little flavor to the text too. You can upload any new images and then add any new services, change these images to whatever you'd like. And then if I go right here, this is how someone would get in touch with you. So just go, I'll type in my name, email address, phone number. Then I am in need of excavating services. So let's just say I type that in. Now when I submit it, I'll get this nice thank you message from the potential customer. Go back here to the top. If I click on stop editing, you can see how nice and professional this website will look for somebody who comes and visits it for the first time. Just doesn't have those update site buttons, obviously, because that's only for you. But if to see your leads, you'll actually get an email that lets you know you have a new lead. You click on it, take you right into your leads dashboard, and you can see new customers who are reaching out to your business. Then you can go ahead and connect a custom domain. If you don't have one yet, just buy one through Google Domains. It's really cheap and easy. And then we'll provide you with instructions as you paste your new domain in here to just make the connection between the two. So once that's ready to go, you are totally all set. And now you can launch your nice, simple, professional website for your excavating contractor business just like that using Mighty Sites. And best of luck using your website to generate leads and grow your business.